September is National Cholesterol Education Month. Celebrity chef and cookbook author Jesus Diaz, better known as Chef Yisus, joins us from his home to share a few light recipe options made with heart-healthy Mazola corn oil. The whole family can practice these Cholesterol Education Month recipes and so much more. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
What delicious recipes can you share with us?
Sure, I have a couple here, and I partnered up with Heart Healthy Mazola Corn Oil to bring you guys these options that hopefully inspires you to also go in the kitchen and cook something. I made some arepas, which is a very traditional dish from my country, Venezuela. This one is called Reina Pepiada. It's made with a shredded chicken salad that usually takes some mayonnaise, but I replaced that with Mazola corn oil. And I also made some arroz chaufa, which is sauteed with some vegetables, chicken, seafood. And I also use Mazola corn oil, which is a cholesterol-free and has natural cholesterol blocking plant sterols that can help protect you and your family from bad cholesterol. In fact, it can even help you lower cholesterol 2 times more than an extra virgin olive oil. So it's a great choice.
Chef, you mentioned high cholesterol is a big concern within your own family. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Sure. Well, I learned from an early age that cholesterol levels can be, you can get them from your parents and your grandparents, even though you're probably having, some exercise in your routine and trying to eat as healthy as possible. But you can always get that from your parents if they had some high levels of cholesterol as well. So I think it's something that we have to check, very often. And try to avoid just, cooking with those, butter, margarine, or other higher saturated fat oils. And you should replace them with Mazola corn oil.
Where can we go for more information on all this?
Sure, you can go to mazola.com for more recipes and inspiration.
Thanks so much, Chef.
Thanks.